back to my channel. As you can tell, today we are doing a Halloween look. We are going to be doing this sort of glam kind of scarecrow. I just love how scarecrows scream fall. I love all the tones of fall. So here is my take on this look. So first I'm just gonna go quickly through the makeup, and then I'm gonna be showing you how I styled and curled my hair. As you can tell by the title, I'm also gonna be doing a giveaway on the single pass curl, which I'm using today. So you guys know I am a T3 ambassador, and what that means for you guys is every time that I do a tutorial featuring T3 tools, you guys also get an opportunity to win the exact same tool that I'm using. If you haven't started yet your T3 collection, this giveaway is a great opportunity for that. Definitely one of the most versatile and best curling tools I've used. You guys know I use them at the salon and of course at home on my hair. So wait till the end of the video on instructions on how to enter the giveaway. All right, let's get into the tutorial.
Close to me, closer than my own heart. And all I want, let me go, set me free. At the same time, don't want you far. I just wanna be a little closer. Still wanna get over all the things you make me feel. I know you want me for a second. Next you wanna get down. Know that we will never be real. We never love in the right way, in the right time, at the right spot, in the right state of mind. We never love in the right way, in the right time, at the right spot, in the right state of mind. And you make me feel just a little like I was a someone that is worthy of touch. And you wanna kiss behind a closed door, silence in the open. Am I hoping for too much? Yeah. We never love in the right way, in the right time, at the right spot, in the right state of mind. We never love in the right way, in the right time.
All right, so now that the makeup is done, we are moving on into hair. And basically I just want kind of a messy curl and almost give the hair like a hay-like kind of effect. We're gonna be using T3's single pass curl in the 1 1/4 inch. And of course I pulled out a dark one for Halloween. As you guys know, T3 tools are always just so beautiful. You guys have always seen me use the white and rose gold. And this one is like a midnight blue with gold accents. I love that they have various settings so that you can get maximum control and results without overheating and damaging your hair. It also has T3's single pass technology, which means that in one step and one swipe, you will get the curl pattern and the result you're looking for. So avoiding having to go over the same section more than once, and therefore less heat and damage on the hair while still obtaining your favorite styles. I think the 1 1/4 inch is a great versatile size. You can definitely get a looser wave if you want with this just by gliding it down the hair or just wrapping it around for a slightly tighter curl. All right, so I'm just going to start in the front and wrap that around. And as you can see, how little time that's had on my hair and how quickly a curl pattern is formed. Another thing I'm going to be doing today is grabbing slightly smaller sections than I normally do, just because I kind of want to give it a piecier effect. The great thing about this tool too is that it's super lightweight and comfortable. I love traveling with it because again, it's not heavy and it's going to keep my hair looking gorgeous on every trip.
Just a little like I was a someone
are all done. Alright guys, and here is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you all have an amazing Halloween. And of course, don't forget to enter the giveaway by clicking the link in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.